on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
Hello guys, welcome. It's cold and it's sunny. I am filming with natural light and I love it. Thank you guys so much. My name is Katia Valino. If this is your first time, welcome. I am a beauty and lifestyle blogger. I do everything to help improve your well-being and the things that will add value to your life. So today, if you know someone who is taking sleeping pills, or if you yourself finds it very hard to sleep at night, your parents, your uncle, your neighbor, this video will be for you. Or you can just stay to get more knowledge about the things you need to do at night to give you a sound sleep. So this tea that I'm going to be making right now will not only make you sleep better, it will also help you burn calories while you are sleeping. I will be making this tea with only 3 ingredients. So let's jump down and I'll show you what I'm using to make this tea. So over here I have a cup of water, and I'll be putting it into a pot of water, a cup of water. The next thing we need is banana. This banana is big banana, so I'll be cutting it in half because I am only making 1 cup of tea. I need half banana or 1 small banana. You're gonna cut the banana, slice the banana with the back, with the skin, and you're gonna add it into the water. The next thing is chamomile tea. This is chamomile tea. If you don't have chamomile tea, just use the banana. So chamomile tea will help to soothe and calm down your nerves and help you relax. So you put 1 tea bag of chamomile tea. The next thing we need is ground cinnamon. Cinnamon is what is going to help to facilitate your calorie burning. So you don't need a lot of cinnamon. It's ground cinnamon. So I'll be using just half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. If you don't have ground cinnamon, just throw in a couple of cinnamon sticks. So I add a little bit in here. I am going to put this on the stove and bring this to boil for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, this is what your tea looks like. It has boiled for 20 minutes and it's time to take it off the stove. So let's take it down. So now it's time to sieve the tea. After 20 minutes, you let it sit for another 20 minutes and you're gonna sieve your tea in the sieve. Now I can have my good night tea. You can go ahead. Tastes very nice. It's going to leave you very soothing for the night to sleep better, sleep tighter, and burn calories while you sleep. Thank you guys, and remember to share the video so that all your friends and families can enjoy the same benefits. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you.
Original, puffing on me high grade sipping. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one.